going?
Ready? Keva likes to swim at WeekiWachi. She's after her turtle. It's somewhere. I'll look in just a second.
You can bring your horses out here now.
Are you kidding?
Is my camera in there?
Yeah, I think so. Keva, good girl. Give me the turtle. Oh, puh. Oh, jeez. Keva, what if I throw it that way? Go get it.
This is hard to get in.
Manatee would have a better chance of knocking.
You can leave it out. I'll put it back in before we get going. So we're here with Sean and Rachel and some other people that we met.
Yeah, they're from the Berg, so they're good. Good people.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I'll go get it. Swim.
Up the current.
Boy, she's gonna be out. That's good.
She's gonna sleep the entire way back.
Yeah. Good girl.
Oh, y'all, we'll see y'all again, I'm sure. We'll be leaving shortly too, anyhow.